If your Google Ads budget feels messy and you don't know which service is really making money, actually your campaign structure is the main problem. Today's rules is simple but powerful. One campaign is equal to one core service. Let's start. What this rule really means, each campaign should focus on one primary service, one main user intent, and one business objective. Why these rules exist? It's a real performance logic. Google's optimization depends on search intent, clarity, ad relevance, landing page match, conversion, signal consistency, and smart bidding learning patterns. So, in here, if your multiple service have different economics, intent, or landing pages, they deserve separate campaigns. When you mix service, Google averages signal across different intent types. This causes lower quality score, budget instability, harder scaling, higher CPC, blended CPA, and slower smart bidding learning, also harder scaling. So the clean structure is equal to cleaner signals and better algorithm behavior. Okay. So the hidden quality score quality score depends on actually expected CTR, click-through rate, ad relevance, and also landing page experience. If your campaign mixes as like refrigerator repair or AC repair, your ad copy becomes generic. First, fast appliance repair call now instead of same day refrigerator repair in New York. Okay. More relevance is equal to higher CTR. Higher CTR is equal to higher quality score. And higher quality score is equal to lower CPC. Always remember this. So the real CPC example of as like Miss campaign, your quality score 5 out of 10. And average CPC $6. Okay. But in separate campaigns, your quality score 8 out of 10 and average CPC $4. So which is better? Obviously, separate campaigns. So this a 33% CPC reduction just from structure. Just only by structure, you reduce your 30% CPC cost per cost. Just imagine. So what is the bad structure and good structure difference? Okay, in bad structure is very common. Suppose your campaign home appliance repair. In here, um, as like just one campaign, and you select one ad for refrigerator repair, one washing machine repair, one dishwasher repair, AC repair. So which problems you will face different urgency levels, different seasonal demand, different CPC levels, budget files internally, and smart bidding average data, and also hard to scale winners. But the good structure is campaign 1 for refrigerator repair, campaign 2 for washing machine repair, campaign 3 for dishwasher repair, and campaign 4 for AC repair. So this good structure, how helpful? How can helpful? Okay, it's clear intent and dedicated budget. Each campaign has clear intent, dedicated budget, dedicated landing page, clean conversion signals, and also independent scaling path. Okay, here example real use case study from my experience. So before Miss campaign, campaign app as like appliance repair, this the data. Service as like refrigerator $32, washer $58, dishwasher $71, AC repair $95. So the hidden issue is smart bidding, averages signal, budget shifts randomly, and also high CPA services, dilute algorithm learning, hard to see real winners. So total blended CPA is $61. Okay. After separate campaigns, campaign 1 for refrigerator repair, campaign 2 for washing machine repair, campaign 3 for dishwasher repair, campaign 4 for AC repair. In here, what can I see? Blended CPA drops to $47. Conversion volume increases 22%. Impression share improves in winning services. Why? But why? Because budget moved toward high performance service, quality score improved, search terms became cleaner, and also smart bidding learn faster. Okay. So what defines a core service? A core service qualifies for its own campaign if it has different search intent, different keyword set, different landing page, different urgency, different CPC range, and different profit margin. I think you can understand. So, what is the difference of high intent bonum low intent split? Even within same service, emergency refrigerator repair and another one is refrigerator maintenance. These have different urgency, different CBR, different CPA tolerance. High level accounts separate campaign A emergency refrigerator repair and campaign 2 general refrigerator service. Emergency may convert at 14% CBR and general service may convert at 6%. That difference matters. Okay. Then brand and non-brand must be separated. Never mix brand keywords and generic service keywords. Brand traffic usually higher CBR, lower CPA, and also lower CPC. If mixed, brand performance hides real acquisition loss. Structure campaign 1 brand and campaign 2 non-brand service. Okay, I hope you can understand. Then our budget control average. How can I how can I control our budget control? Okay. Example, XOB's $120 daily budget. Missed campaign, missed campaign Google distributes unpredictably and separate campaigns you allocate strategically. Refrigerator 50 $50 washer $30 dishwasher $25 AC $50. Now scaling is intentional. Scaling without structure as like gambling. Okay. So what is the smart bidding signal clarity? Smart bidding works best when conversion signals are consistent. If AC repair converts at 3%, refrigerator converts at 10%, algorithm average to 6 to 7%, this hurts the winner. Separate campaigns allow clean learning models for service. This dramatically improves TCP, target CPA stability. System control advantage. Missed campaign negative keyword management becomes as like messy. Our example, AC keyword triggering freeze queries. Separate campaigns, cleaner system reports, better negative keyword precision, also less wasted spend. Okay. So when you make combined services, combine only combine only if very low search volume, same landing page, same profit margin, same urgency, same intent. Example, freeze repair, refrigerator repair, same service, just wording variation. Okay. So when performance max change the rule. With Vmax, you cannot fully control keyword intent separation. However, you can still structure by separate assist groups per service, separate Vmax campaigns per core service. Even in Vmax, core service separation still applies. So the common structural mistakes: one campaign for entire business, mixing emergency plus standard, mixing brand plus generic, mixing high and low margin services. Also using one landing page for everything and scaling before separating and over segmenting without volume. So when not to split, do not separate if less than 30 conversions per month, budget under $30 per day, very small local market, new campaign under 2 3 weeks, data must justify separation. Okay. So what is the advanced scaling model? Step 1, launch separate core campaigns. Step 2, identify winner services. Step 3, increase your budget gradually. Step 4, improve landing page relevance. And step 5, add geo segmentation. And step 6 is add device segmentation. And step 7 is scale profitably. So structure first, then scale second. Okay. The final strategic logic: one campaign, one clear intent, One landing page, one budget, one signal pattern, high quality score, lower CPC, better CPA, and predictable scaling. Okay, I hope you can understand why one company is equal to one core service is most important. So the final truth is most people try to scale with more budget, professional scale with better structure. But if you want stable CPA and predictable growth, start here. One campaign, one core service, clean signals, clean scaling. If you want the next video, I will show you exactly how to decide want to split campaigns by intent, device, or location without killing learning. Subscribe and I will see you in the next one. Okay, stay with me.